Hello students, today we will be discussing an important topic of organic chemistry, nucleophilicity versus basicity. See, nucleophiles and bases, they are an important reagents whenever you study any type of mechanism. It may be SN1, SN2, E1, E2, E1CB, any type of mechanism you will come across nucleophiles and bases. So you must have a clear understanding of whether a given substance is a good nucleophile or it is a good base. So in this session we will discuss the difference between a nucleophile and a base, then whether a given substance will act as a good nucleophile or it will act as a good base. So your concept will be clear if you watch the video till the end. So let's start. You have learned about electron rich species. Clear? What are electron rich species? Which have either lone pair or they have a negative charge. They are known as electron-rich species. Now, these electron-rich species are broadly classified into two in organic chemistry. They are nucleophiles and bases. Both of them are electron-rich species. Now, what is the difference? They will donate both. The similarity is they will donate the electron pair. They have a lone pair or negative charge, so they will try to donate it to become stable. So both of them donate. What is the difference is to what atom they are donating. So here nucleophiles donate electron pair to any electron deficient atom. Electron deficient atom. Generally it is carbon because we are studying organic chemistry, except hydrogen. So it will not donate to hydrogen except hydrogen. If it is donating its electron pair to an electron deficient atom, then it is known as nucleophile. Base is they also donate electron pair, but they do not donate it to H plus ion. It is also electron deficient. They also donate to electron deficient. What is the difference? They donate to electron deficient carbon. Bases donate electron pair to electron deficient, that is proton, H plus ion. So they abstract H plus ion. क्या करते? Abstract means they remove H plus ion from substrate. वो remove कर लेते हैं substrate को. H plus ion substrate से remove करते हैं. What does nucleophile do? They replace a weaker nucleophile in the substrate. That is the difference. Clear? So basicity you can find out from the order of acidity. Stronger the acid, weaker will be its conjugate base, that we have learned in Bronsted-Lowry concept. जितना strong acid होगा उसका base उतना weak होगा. So it is, we can find out the strength of a base from its Kb value. Clear? So that it is a thermodynamic concept. Thermodynamic, or it is thermodynamically controlled. Clear? But we can find the strength of a nucleophile from the rate of the reaction. So this is kinetically controlled product. Kinetically controlled. So these were some of the differences between a nucleophile and bases. Nucleophile, the major difference is nucleophile donates its electron pair to carbon, whereas base donates its electron pair to hydrogen. They are involved in elimination reactions. They are involved in substitution reactions. Clear? Now coming to how you identify whether a given ion or molecule is a good nucleophile or a good base, that we will discuss now. See, there are four factors we will be discussing here. The first factor is what makes a good nucleophile. If you know what it is a good nucleophile, we will discuss the basicity along with it. So first factor is charge or electron density. Clear? Second one is electronegativity. Third is solvent, the type of solvent in which the reaction is taking place. Fourth is steric factor or steric hindrance. These are the four major factors which decides whether a given ion or molecule will be a good nucleophile or not. Now starting with the first one, that is charge or electron density. See, what is the function of a nucleophile or a base? Donate a electron pair. Clear? जितनी ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी होगी, higher the electron density. Electron density means electrons present over a small area will have higher electron density. Electrons present over a large area will have small electron density. If you compare fluoride ion and I minus ion, it has large size, fluoride ion has a small size. So here the electrons are present over a small area. So electron density is high in this case. Clear? So greater the electron density, more will be its tendency to donate the electron pair. Clear? More will be the donation of electron. And if more is the donation of electron, stronger will be the nucleophile. That is for if the attacking atom is same. Here we are considering the attacking atom, जहाँ से attack हो रहा है. If attacking atom is same, we will look for electron density. Clear? Now see the example. If we have taken OH minus and H2O, which is a strong nucleophile, it is neutral, it has negative charge over it. तो electron density कहाँ ज़्यादा है? OH minus पे, so it has more tendency to donate its electron pair. तो ये stronger nucleophile होगा. Clear? Another case, HS minus and H2S. Here again negative charge is more, it will be stronger nucleophile. NH2 minus and NH3. It has negative charge, it is a stronger nucleophile. So basically we are looking for if the attacking atom is same, दोनों में nitrogen है, here both are oxygen, there both are sulfur. So if attacking atom is same, greater the electron density or greater the charge, more will be the strength of the nucleophile. And if attacking atom is same, you have to remember the nucleophilicity parallels basicity. That means जो order nucleophilicity का होगा वही order basicity का होगा. If attacking atom is same, except when there is no steric factor. स्टेरिक फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए, देयर विल बी नो स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस. अगर स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस नहीं है तो जो ऑर्डर न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी का होगा वही ऑर्डर बेसिसिटी का होगा. इफ़ द अटैकिंग एटम इज सेम, वी विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल इन दिस केस. इफ वी कंसिडर दीज टू केसेस, इन विच केस इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी विल बी हाई. सी दिस इज आर ग्रुप, इट विल हैव प्लस आई इफेक्ट. प्लस आई इफेक्ट से क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी क्या होगी, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी विल इंक्रीज हियर. So in this case it will have higher electron density, so it will be a stronger nucleophile. So nucleophilicity order and basicity order will be same. It will be a stronger nucleophile as well as stronger base because the attacking atom is same. O है दोनों में. This is the point. Next point in this charge density is if the charge is stabilized by resonance. अगर वो रेजोनेंस से स्टेबलाइज हो रहा है और इट इज़ स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय एनी अदर फैक्टर, देन न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी और बेसिसिटी विल डिक्रीज. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक हियर RO minus, OH minus, CH3COO minus, then we can take CH3SO sulfonate ion, and then this one. Clear? So these 5 ions we have taken here. See, attacking atom is same in all the cases. Oxygen is the attacking atom in all the cases. So nucleophilicity order and basicity order will be same. Now coming, which ion is more stabilized here? Resonance किस में हो रहा है? Resonance is taking place here. Resonance is taking place here. Resonance is also taking place here. Now here there will be equivalent resonating structure because the negative charge on oxygen is delocalized on the oxygen, 3 oxygen atoms here. It is delocalized on 2 oxygen atoms here. So these are known as equivalent resonating structures. So these two will have equivalent resonating structures. Equivalent resonating structures. How many will be there? 3. here there will be two resonating structures. Now here it is delocalized on the carbon atoms. See, these are carbon atoms. Negative charge कहाँ delocalize होगा? Carbon पे. These are known as non-equivalent resonating structures and this is less stable as compared to this one. तो जो जितना stable होगा, it will not try to lose its charge because it is quite stable in itself. वो अपने आप में happy है, it is happy in itself, so it will not tend to donate its electron pair. Why will it share when it is stable? तो जो जितना ज़्यादा stable होगा, it will not tend to share its electron pair and it will be a weaker nucleophile and weaker base. So if we take the order A, B, C, D and E, what is the order of nucleophilicity or basicity? D will be least stable. So maximum stable, so least basic or least nucleophilicity. Okay, it is order of basicity as well as nucleophilicity. D is least basic or least nucleophile, weakest nucleophile. Then we have C. Then we have E. Because there is resonance in these three, maximum stable is this one because there are three equivalent resonating structures, two. So it is next to stable and this is one is third one. Then among these two it has plus I effect, it will be most unstable. So B and then A. This is the order of nucleophilicity as well as basicity. So in the charge case, in the charge ions, you have to look whether the ion is stabilized or not. अगर वो stable है तो वो अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शेयर नहीं करेगा and it will be a weaker base and weaker nucleophile. ठीक है, जो ऑर्डर न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी का होगा वही ऑर्डर बेसिसिटी का होगा इफ़ द अटैकिंग एटम इज सेम. तो इन सब में अटैकिंग एटम सेम था, ये ऑर्डर होगा. क्लियर? कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट फैक्टर इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. इन ए रो वी इफ इन ए पीरियड वी हैव टू decide the order of nucleophilicity or basicity. We decide it on the basis of electronegativity. First point is this. Second, nucleophile क्या करता है? What is the function of nucleophile or base? To donate its electron pair. If the electrons are tightly held, अगर उसके electrons उसने tightly held कर रखे हैं, it will not try to donate it because they are tightly held. It is stable in itself. It will not try to donate its electron pair. Now tightly held is a term which is related to electronegativity. So greater is the electronegativity. जितनी ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी होगी, more will be the hold on its electron pair or more will be the tightly held electron pair. tightly held होंगे उसके electron pair and it will decrease the nucleophilicity or basicity. दोनों decrease हो जाएंगे. Clear? So in case of in a period when we are deciding, let's take the example CH3 minus, NH2 minus, OH minus and F minus. These are the elements of the same period: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Clear? Electronegativity is increasing in this order. So the fluoride ion will be able to hold its electron pair tightly. So it will have less tendency to donate the electron pair. So it will be the weakest nucleophile or the weakest base. So the strongest nucleophile is CH3 minus, then H2 minus, then OH minus. So as we move from left to right in a period, the basicity as well as nucleophilicity, left to right in a period, basicity as well as nucleophilicity decreases. Clear? So this is the second factor, electronegativity. Now third factor is solvent. See, in a period the size does not change much, so there is no solvation factor. But when we are deciding in a group, जब नीचे जाते हैं ग्रुप में, solvation, the size increases and there is a effect of solvation on the order of nucleophilicity as well as basicity. We'll compare it in F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. Clear? Now solvents are of two type: polar protic solvent and polar aprotic solvent. दोनों में अलग अलग order होगा. Order will be different in both the cases. See what happens. Polar protic solvent, they form hydrogen bond, they solvate the ions. तो क्या करेंगे, ये जो एनायंस है ये सारे सॉल्वेट हो जाएंगे. नाउ F माइनस हैज़ अ स्मॉलेस्ट साइज, I माइनस हैज़ अ लार्जेस्ट साइज. सॉल्वेशन डिपेंड्स अपॉन द इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. जितनी ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी होगी उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग सॉल्वेशन होगा. सो इट विल बी सराउंडेड बाय द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स हियर. यहाँ पे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से सराउंडेड होगा. देयर विल बी हाई सॉल्वेशन. सो मोर सॉल्वेशन इज देयर इन केस ऑफ fluoride ions. There will be less solvation here. So as the size increases down the group, solvation also decreases. Due to solvation, this negative charge ion is protected by a shell of water molecules. यहाँ पे अगर solvation हो रहा है water से तो यहाँ पे एक shell बन गया. Now due to the formation of this shell, it will not be able to attack somewhere, or it will find it difficult to attack because it is protected by water molecules. तो क्या होगा, the nucleophilicity will decrease. So in case of polar protic solvent, if we are taking polar protic solvent, nucleophilicity will decrease down the group, decreases. So I minus will be a stronger nucleophile than Br minus. Br minus will be stronger than Cl minus and then F minus. But if we compare basicity, basicity में क्या होता है, basicity में it has to form hydrogen bond, it has to form bond with H plus. H plus is quite small atom. तो I जो है, I if we are taking I minus, I will not be able to form a stable bond with hydrogen because it is quite large in size. तो वो बॉन्ड नहीं बना पाएगा. सिंस इट कैन नॉट फॉर्म ए स्टेबल बॉन्ड विद हाइड्रोजन, द बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर डिक्रीजेज डाउन द ग्रुप. तो बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर, nucleophilicity order increases down the group. Increases down the group. I minus is the strongest nucleophile, but basicity order will decrease down the group. ये decrease होगा. So if this is the nucleophilicity order. If we write, the basicity order will be F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. I minus will be the weakest base, F minus will be the strongest base, although all these are weak bases. Clear? But when we compare among them, F minus will be the strongest base, I minus will be the weakest base. Second, if we are taking polar aprotic solvent, no solvation, there will be no solvation of the negative ions. इनका सॉल्वेशन नहीं होगा तो ऑर्डर सेम रहेगा. सो इन केस ऑफ पोलर एप्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट, this is polar aprotic solvent I am writing, the order will be F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. So the nucleophilicity order as well as the basicity order will remain same in case of polar aprotic solvent because they do not solvate the ions. Solvate नहीं करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होगी फ्लोराइड आयंस पे, इट विल बी एबल टू अटैक द न्यूक्लियोफाइल द सबस्ट्रेट इजीली. फोर्थ फैक्टर इज स्टेरिक फैक्टर. स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस, अगर स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग है it will decrease the nucleophilicity but it will have no effect on basicity. Why? न्यूक्लियोफाइल को अटैक करना होता है कार्बन पे. अगर कार्बन के अराउंड स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग ज़्यादा है तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल नॉट बी एबल टू अटैक, सो द न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी विल डिक्रीज. बट बेसिसिटी बेस हैज़ टू जस्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ए प्रोटॉन फ्रॉम अ मॉलिक्यूल. यहाँ से एक प्रोटॉन निकालना होता है, so it can easily remove this proton. There is no effect of steric crowding on the basicity. Clear? We will compare the order. We will take the ions CH3O minus, CH3, CH3O minus, then C, clear? Now if you are writing the order of basicity, it has plus I effect. You can see plus I effect is there. plus I effect होगा तो electron density increase होगी, so basicity will increase. So order of basicity is, basicity का order लिख देते हैं, it is 3, 2 and 1. clear? यहाँ पे कम होगा, यहाँ पे और कम होगा. So due to the plus I effect of 3 methyl groups, the electron density is high on this O minus, and so basicity order is this. But nucleophilicity order will be reversed because there will be steric crowding here. Due to steric crowding, it will not be able to attack easily on the substrate. तो न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी का ऑर्डर हो जाएगा 1. दिस विल बी मोस्ट न्यूक्लियोफिलिक, देन 2, देन 3, बिकॉज इन दिस ऑर्डर द स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग इज इंक्रीजिंग. So steric crowding affects the nucleophilicity while it has no effect on basicity. This is the fourth factor. One more point is left, we will discuss it. Fifth point is nucleophilicity is increased by an adjacent heteroatom. I will explain it just now. Adjacent heteroatom having lone pair. So what is the point here? Suppose you have NH2 and you have NH3. So here there are two lone pairs. These lone pairs, they will repel each other. Due to repulsion it will tend to donate its electron pair more readily. वो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर जल्दी से जल्दी देना चाहेगा क्योंकि उनके बीच में रिपल्शन है. So this will be more nucleophilic than NH3. Clear? Second one is this one. Oxygen atom is same. There is a oxygen atom with lone pair, so they will repel each other. Repulsion होगा तो ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर जल्दी देगा, so it will be more nucleophilic. Clear? So nucleophilicity is increased when an atom is present near the attacking atom with the lone pair. उसके पास lone pair है तो वो easily donate कर देगा. So that's all in this video. I hope now you can decide whether a given ion is a good nucleophile or a good base. In a group we will decide on the basis of size, and in the period we will decide on the basis of electronegativity. Keeping these 4-5 points in mind, you can decide any ion whether it is a good nucleophile or a good base. So that's all in this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.